treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Subaru Outback. This four-door, five-passenger wagon offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower, and all-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. All of the premium features expected of a Subaru are offered, including power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Side curtain airbags deploy in extreme circumstances, shielding you and your passengers from collision forces. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.